Hello friends, this video would be a beginner's guide as to how you can buy cryptocurrencies. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So if you are a beginner and thinking how you can buy cryptocurrency tokens or coins, there are multiple ways you can buy the tokens or coins. So always remember there are two types of exchange in cryptocurrencies. One is a decentralized exchange and one is a centralized exchange. So decentralized exchange is an exchange where you don't need to have a KYC and you can directly use crypto wallets and trade cryptocurrencies over there. Now in some time I will explain you what a cryptocurrency wallet is and how you can use it. And centralized exchange is where you have to complete the KYC. They will ask for your documents and then you will be verified and then you will have an account on the centralized exchange. The best example for this is a Binance centralized exchange where it's active on the crypto market. If you go and check the exchanges over here, we'll wait for it to load. And as you can see, there are a lot of centralized exchanges over here: Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, KuCoin, Bybit, OKX, Bitfinex. And I will also give you an example of a decentralized exchange. So we will take the example of Shiba Swap over here. Shiba Swap usually takes a lot of time to load. So we will wait for it to load. So this is the example of decentralized exchange. You don't need to have a KYC over here. You have to simply click on connect wallet. I will go and connect my wallet first over here just to show you. And I will wait for it to load. So it's giving me some kind of error, but let me try again. And yes, it's loading now. Now I will wait until I need to put the password over here. I'm putting my password right now. And I have connected my Trust wallet. So there are couple of wallets, good wallets on what you called Chrome. Like if you are using a desktop or a laptop, you can download this wallet. One is a Trust wallet and one is a MetaMask. So these are the extensions. And if we check the Trust wallet, you can directly deposit your real money and buy some tokens. So I will give you example since I've connected my wallet over here, and all you have to go is go to swap tokens. And let's say if you buy some Ethereum on your Trust wallet, and I will just paste one Ethereum, and you can select the token, any Ethereum based token, ERC20 token. So I will tell you how you can check it. So I will, for the video purpose, I will just select Bone Shiba Swap, and it will calculate the best rate, and you can simply go ahead and swap it, and this Bone token will reflect in your Trust wallet. And in case if it doesn't reflect, just please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to tell you how to add Bone token to your Trust wallet. So this is how you can buy or purchase crypto tokens or coins on a decentralized exchange. For centralized exchange, let's say we are on Binance over here, and I will go to the main page of Binance and I will click on fiat and spot over here. Oh, it's asking me to log in again. For some reason, I had already logged in. I don't know what's the issue over here, but let me try to log in again. I have logged in again. Now, as you can see, all you have to do is go to fiat and spot. Now, I have hidden my balance over here. And in search coin, you can search a specific coin which you want to buy. For example, let's take an example of Cardano. So I will click on buy over here and wait for it to load. And now, as you can see, you can directly buy using fiat currency, which can be dollars, which can be euros, which can be Indian rupees, depends on your country. So there are a lot of options over here. Now it's taking some time to load for some reason, maybe because of the slow internet connection or slow machine. but I'm not able to type in anything over here. Let me check on sell. So it's giving me the option to select the currency, but for some reason it's very slow. I will try to reload it. It's again the login and sign up problems for some reason. So we will cover this later because it's not loading up yet. And all you have to do is you can check this website like coin market cap and cryptocurrency prices. Now if we go in cryptocurrencies and check the ranking over here, you will get all the best or the top cryptocurrencies as per the market capitalization. uh, so they are ranked like first is Bitcoin, second is Ethereum, third is Tether USDT. USDT will be always $1 or close to $1 because it's a fixed token. It doesn't vary. It's spec to US dollars. And then there is BNB, USDC, XRP, Cardano. So you can research about any specific coin or token over here, and you can simply go ahead and buy it. Now, I will give you an example as to how you can add a specific token to your wallet. So this would be specifically for decentralized exchange. And if you find that the centralized exchange is a bit risky for you, then always keep all the cryptocurrency tokens in your wallet because that is relatively safer. And then there are some offline wallets also where you can directly store those tokens, but you have to purchase a hardware device for it. I think Tezor is the best one. I haven't purchased one, but maybe in future, if my overall portfolio grows to $1 million or so, I will go ahead and buy it because it's relatively much safer to store all these tokens. Now, we will take the example of this Dogecoin over here, and again, we'll wait for it to load. This Binance is still loading for some reason. I will go and close it. And I think the internet connection is slow because Dogecoin is also not loading. So now the Dogecoin is has loaded over here, and all you have to do is you need to check the contact address over here. So there are different types of contact address depending on the chain. This is a Binance Smart Chain address, which is BEP20 address. Then there is ERC20, which is Ethereum. Then there is Cardano, Arbitrium. It all depends on which chain it is. You can simply go and add this to Trust Wallet. Network not supported. Please change the network to your MetaMask because actually my Trust Wallet is logged in, and there is an issue always between Trust Wallet and MetaMask. Let me try to like switch to Smart Chain on my Trust Wallet and try to add it. Now, as you can see, I am able to add it. So I will go ahead and add the token over here. And as you can see, my token is already added. You won't be able to see it because I haven't opened my wallet. Anyways, it's a video wallet. Maybe I will show you some other day as to how it looks like. But the token has been successfully added. And now you can go to markets and check where all you can buy these tokens. Like you can buy this on Binance, so you can trade this with USDT. So you need to have USDT on your Binance account, and you can go to markets and press on trade and swap your USDT to Dogecoin. And then there is Coinbase, then the Binance, Kraken, KuCoin. So these are the places where you can buy Dogecoin. And in case if you still face any issues buying, please let me know before buying, then I can help you out. And you can always leave a comment, or there's a email address that I've kept for you guys. You can check the email address on my uh, channel info, and you can always email me. I will whenever I have time, I will reply back. So it is this simple to buy cryptocurrency coins or tokens on centralized and decentralized exchange. And hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.